behind this with other Pune loco may be there. Sambra is having go. I don't know if I'll be allowed in the yard. I'll walk on the pier for maybe. Walk on this pier. And then I'll just take some pics. So many workers are there, hope they allow. It's a new pier I think they're making. Pier 4. Be careful of here. If I fall, no. There I may not be able to capture, and at least there to capture so there are many people. And hope those locals don't go towards Sambra. So far it is there. Getting scared to turn and capture like this. Okay. Now directly I'll continue later. They put some wall like there. After crossing this yard, I'm here. Then I'll check where is Chalukya Express once I go there. Still it I not got a starter. Maybe the flight I want to come. I'll stop now. Many people are there. Put on pause and I'll continue later. This is inside the yard how it looks. I'll process with helmet I'm going now, some people may find it strange. Oh, it's like this or not continuous. So far it looks continuous. But locals are making sound, maybe they may depart. Can I reach till there? You can. There is some pole like, but there is space. Okay, continue later. This new building also I wanted to take, hopefully when returning. But I didn't see much progress but when driving. Those EMD sounds can be heard even here. Here are so many works. Ladies are blocking. See the rails of parking of the. I have to see in Dharwad, Hubli and all. Continue later. They are looking angrily at me. This is what not yard line, I don't know, special track I think. A platform only I think. There. How many people are coming? I'll continue later. I think my half chatti they see and they laugh at me. So come with full chatti. See what are all these poles? Continue later now. This is the platform I think. The locals are still there, I thought they went. I've got to come with bike easily decide on and cross the tracks to see, but it's okay. I saw this for a long time. These houses I never remember noticing from so close. So many tiles are there here. Announcement. Chalukya 11005 Radar Puducherry. So now see they're putting tiles here. They're calling me. Then this locals won't depart now. Hey, is it Godfather? No. It has that greenish tint. It's not Godfather. 12043. Oh, it's attached to Surprise. WG4 and WG4D livery, or it is a WG4D. And how do I get down from here? Yeah. How do I get down from here? It's quite steep. It was easier than I thought, but some bottle was a plastic bottle which I didn't see. So little much like somewhat like Godfather livery. Towards Sambra side I came now. See that platform 2, that's right. I'll go back and take that right loco from here. I'm feeling behind it. What if there's one more loco? I don't see this also, simply just for WhatsApp. Mostly in YouTube when I put one more. Going all the way back is again boring. Again I may feel like capturing when I go back, so come on bike only see. I'll check if Chalukya near, I'll wait here and from here only Chalukya will come. Bulldozer carrying this. That day I saw it near outside the gate now. Bridge. Now it is below the platform. Like so below, let this over. 12110. This is 12063. This is 12110 Sambra side. That was where I captured Queen. The other side of this train, the other side. Now let me check where is Chalukya Express and let me go back. Going back I may not capture much. Let's see. If it is a little nice or something different, I will